मोमो किमा कति काटी किन्यो 2 काटी कि 3 3 काटी वा डेन्जर दामी मिलाएर राखेको छ राम्रो छ कुन चाहिँ लाने हो ए येल्लो कि त्यो सेतो अस्ति हामीले कस्तो लगेको थियो अरे येल्लो सेतो त धेरै फरक फरक नरहेछ क्या अलि $10 हो अब यो उता निस्केको पनि राम्रो हो नि हो त्यो है This is social distancing guys यस्तोलाई भन्छ social distancing oh my goodness कति मान्छे Is your fan working Siano? Yeah Oh my god I think we are melting Come on Siano oh, wait
I can't walk
You can work? अब हामीले चाहिँ गोलभेडा लिएर आयो गोलभेडा अदुवा यो चाहिँ लसुन अनि चोरी चिली टोमेटो चोरी रे खाली चिली टोमेटो हाल्यो भने चाहिँ के भन्छ त्यसको तरकारीको स्वाद नै अर्को हुन्छ अनि यो मकै चाहिँ सुप बनाउनको लागि लिएर आएको अनि मोमोको लागि बन्दा पनि चाहिन्छ धनिया अनि यो लसुनको पात हरियो खुर्सानी इन्डियन पसलबाट अनि यो प्याज अनि मेन इम्पोर्टेन्ट कुरा यो मोमोको रोटी अनि यो चाहिँ किमा पनि किन्न पाउँछ मज्जाले बनाइराख्नु पर्दैन घरमा
I got enough of every melody they all sound the same yeah for my broken heart no remedy but maybe if you stay we can get away with it cause you make me love my imperfections answer all my questions just to show me what's on the other side
Okay, I try to make like yours, okay? But I don't know how to make. You're already an advanced momo maker, but I'm a beginner. See, okay. And again, wrap. There we go.
Yes, like that.
Okay. Did I pass the exam?
Sure.
Wow. Wow.
Look, guys.
Your momo look like Chinese momo.
What?
Chinese momo त्यस्तै हुन्छ नि.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Do you have to wrap it like this?
Yeah. That's my style of making momo.
Damn. I
Damn.
don't know how to say that. Now we do like this. Now to make a starfish momo, right?
Yes. So you need to teach them how to do it.
Yeah, if you don't know, then watch this video again. Isn't it right, Mommy?
Yes, you're right.
Oh, yeah. Like this.
Okay. Why? Too much.
Too much?
Yeah, this one's too much. It's 11. Okay, now teach them how to make.
Take a dough like this and apply some water this side. Just like Mommy over here. Can you show them?
Okay, like this.
Yeah.
And
We just put some pork and
like
we
this.
just fold it in 4 corners.
Fold it in a 4 corner. Okay.
And
Is it like this?
no,
Then how?
I will show you guys.
Okay.
Put a little bit of pork and fold it like this one.
Okay, like this.
Like this.
Oh wow, you're such a talented Siano.
I know. Maybe this dough is a little bit small for me.
Little bit small. Why?
Yeah, because this one is a little bit loose. Because this one is a little bit short.
Eh? But mine is okay. See? I think you can fix it like this. Right, Simri?
I'll try.
Wow, is this a starfish momo?
Is it like this?
Wow!
Guys, it's like this.
Wow, wow, wow. Thank you, Simri.
You're welcome. Now put
Okay.
it aside.
Okay. अब चाहिँ मोमो अलमोस्ट रेडी हुन लागिसक्यो यति धेरै बनाइ भइसक्यो यो चाहिँ सबै सिमरेको मोमो
Hold on.
Careful, it's hot.
Starfish died. Oh my god, it's so hot.
Is it hot?
Yeah.
How is it, Sano?
Good.
Is it
Very
yummy?
delicious. Because you make it very, very nice.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
What did it say here?
Cause you make me love my imperfections. Yeah. What's on the other side of inhibition? Ooh, I do you do cause I'm feeling so cool.